Have you ever had your child take permanent marker and put it on carpet or upholstery? Well, Chem-dry has a solution for you. I'm Sean Rodeback, and let me show you how we remove these very difficult stains. Now, it's also important that Chem-dry is the first person to try to remove these spots and stains because we're more effective in doing that. But we have a product specifically designed to remove these types of difficult spots and stains. Let me show you how we do that. As you can see, we're very effective in removing these difficult stains. Now, I can't guarantee that we can remove every spot and stain out of your carpet, but what I can guarantee, if we can't, nobody can.